What we're looking at this morning, I have to determine what speed the governor has to revolve at so that I can work the ratio on my pulleys. And stepping back through everything, I have a 2-to-1 ratio here, and I have a 1.6-to-1 ratio here. Now, deep in my heart of hearts, I know that this works best at around 600 RPM. At 600 RPM, the balls will fly out fully, and this lever will move as you see it to control. The control rod runs from there to my steam valve. So taking all of the ratios into consideration, to get 600 RPM here, I have to be running about 750 RPM at the mill. So I'm going to start this up. It's going to start very slowly, and I'll gradually ramp the mill up to 750 RPM, which means the governors will be revolving at 600 RPM. And of course, the thing that you want to watch as this happens is the movement of this lever as it pivots about this post, because the speed of the governor determines just where this lever is in its movement. So here we start off at very low speed, and you can see at a low speed there's no movement of anything. But as I progress higher and higher in RPM, you'll see the balls start to move out and the levers start to move. And there we have it at 400 RPM, 500 RPM, 600 RPM, and there we are at 750 RPM on the milling machine, which means that this main stem post and the balls are revolving at 600 RPM. And you can see the inclination of the lever has changed quite dramatically. Watch it, and I'm going to turn the speed down again. And you can see the movement of that lever up and down. So depending on what speed the governor is driven at, that determines how much the steam valve opens or closes to control the speed of the engine that the governor is on. Thanks for having a look.